If CapCut is showing a transcode error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to exporting your project without the frustration. This is one of those issues that can happen from hardware encoding, corrupted cache, low storage, or even outdated graphics drivers. But the good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and go to the top left corner of the screen. Click the menu icon, then select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Performance tab at the top. This is where CapCut controls how it uses your device for exporting and rendering your videos. Now, inside Performance, find the option labeled Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If this box is checked, uncheck it. Hardware encoding can sometimes cause transcode errors depending on your system, your GPU, or the type of footage in your project. Turning it off forces CapCut to use a more stable export method, which often solves the problem immediately. After that, stay inside Settings and look for cache size. If you see a delete button with a trash icon, click it to clear the cache. Cache files can build up over time and sometimes become corrupted, which can interfere with exporting and cause transcode failures. Clearing the cache gives CapCut a fresh start and can remove hidden glitches that are blocking your export. Once that is done, click Save to apply your changes. Then, make sure you completely restart CapCut, not just close the window. Fully exit the app and reopen it so the new settings load properly. This step is important because some performance changes do not take effect until CapCut has been restarted. Now go back to your project and try exporting it again. In many cases, the transcode error will be gone at this point. But if you still see the issue, don't stop here because there are a few more fixes that can make a big difference. Next, check your storage space. Make sure the drive you're exporting to has at least 3 to 8 gigabytes of free space. If your storage is nearly full, CapCut may not have enough room to create temporary export files, which can trigger transcode problems. If needed, free up some space by deleting old files, moving media to another drive, or changing the export location to a drive with more available storage. After checking storage, open the export window again and lower the export settings. Change the resolution to 1080p if it was set higher, and set the code rate or bitrate to recommended if it was on a high setting. Higher settings can put more strain on your system and make export processing more difficult, especially on larger projects. Lowering these settings can help CapCut complete the render more reliably. If the error still continues, the next fix is to update your graphics drivers. Go to the official website for your GPU brand, whether that is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver version for your device. Outdated or buggy drivers can create codec conflicts that interfere with CapCut's export engine. After installing the update, restart your computer and try exporting again. At this point, most transcode errors should be fixed. So just to recap, the best order is to disable hardware encoding, clear the cache, save and restart CapCut, check your storage space, lower your export resolution and bitrate, and then update your GPU drivers if needed. These steps work because they target the most common causes of export failure without making things complicated. If this video helped you solve the CapCut transcode error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing fixes, and step-by-step troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more CapCut export error fixes you can try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.